Let us study the first agricultural practice, that is preparation of soil. So in order to grow a crop in a particular field, we have to prepare a soil in a such a way that the crop is going to grow in a very healthy way, and it is also going to give a very high yield. So the first primary thing we have to look upon the soil is that the soil should be loosened. What do you mean by loosened soil means? I will share you the picture of loosened soil now. This is how a loosened soil looks. Okay, so if the soil is loosened like this, then easily the crops can grow in the plant. Supposingly, if the soil is like this is not called as loosened soil. So if we sow a seed also, a crop cannot grow in this land. The reason is that the shoot will not arises from the soil, as well as the roots also will not get proper oxygen for that, or proper, not oxygen, it won't get proper air. Okay, in not, or sometimes it won't get proper water also, because the water will not penetrate into the soil if the soil is not loosened up. So we have many disadvantages if the soil is not loosened up. So first, the primary thing we need to do before we are going to plant a crop is that we have to make the soil loosened up like this. Okay, we have to make the soil loosened up like this. This is also an example of tightened soil. Means in this soil also, if I sow a seed, the crop will not grow properly because of some inadequate reasons. But here I can grow a plant. In order to make the soil loosen, we can use varieties of tools as set in your textbook. Those tools are plow, hoe and cultivator. Plow, hoe and cultivator are some tools. Not only these tools are there are many tools. These three tools will help the soil to be loosened up. So we have one definition here. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. The process of loosening the soil is called plowing or tilling, and it is done by some tools called plow, hoe and cultivator. So what this plow, hoe and cultivator will do means, whenever a soil will be having some big clumps of soil, or it is also called as crumbs, it will breaks these crumbs into smaller one and hence makes the soil loosened up. As I said earlier, we have to loosen the soil for various purposes. The soil is loosened means then only your earthworm and microbes will decompose the dead organisms present in the soil. In the previous 7th class, you would have learnt about decomposition. The dead and decayed of organisms will decompose and makes the soil rich in its nutrients. Actually, what is the meaning of that means, the microbes or earthworms, if there is some any dead decayed organism, it will decompose that, or it will eats away that. When it eats away, it will give some nutrients. The nutrients will be released. That nutrients is very essential for the soil. If the soil has the nutrients, then the plant growth will be very healthy and it will give a higher yield. In order to take this process, the soil should be very loosened up. If the soil is not loosened up, the process of decomposition will not take place. So that is the reason the soil should be loosened. And at the same time, earthworm is also called as earthworm is called as friends of farmers. Why it is called as friends of farmers means, this earthworm will makes, or it will loosens the soil, and it also adds some nutrients to the soil by the process of decomposition. So earthworm or some of the insects are called as friends of farmers because it will help in the process of agriculture. So coming to the three tools, as I said, these three tools, that is plow, hoe and cultivator, is used to plow the land or is used to make the land loosen up. So let I learn about plow. This is how a plow looks. This one is called as plowshare, and this holding part is called as plow shaft. One end of the plow shaft is connected to the cow like this. Okay, so when the cow moves on, what happens? It will plow the land like this. Okay, it will plow the land like this. So as the cow runs away, as the cow runs away, the land will get the land will get, what is that? The land will get loosened up. So this is the one of the way to make the land loosen or to make the soil loosen. Got it clear? So similarly we have another one also, that is cultivator. Okay, we have here cultivator. Cultivator is done by a tractor driven cultivator. If you have seen the village, many peoples will be driving tractor in the soil or in their field before having a seed like this. Why they do so means, while the tractor goes away, the soil, the big clumps of soil or crumbs of soil will be broken down into a smaller crumbs, and hence makes the soil loosens up. Actually cultivator, that is a tractor driven cultivator, is very useful for the farmers to make the soil loosen up, and it also reduces the time and pressure of the farmers, because just driving the tractor, your land will get loosened up, your soil will get loosened up. And thirdly we have another instrument called hoe. What this hoe does means, the hoe will looks like this. At one end we have a blade, it is called as bent blade. This bent blade, what it will do means, if there are some weeds in a field, if there are some weeds in the field, it will cut away all the weeds. Now the question arises in your mind, what is the meaning of weeds? Weeds are nothing but unwanted plants present in the field. For example, if a farmer has decided to sow a wheat seeds, and in that field if there is some any other seeds which is growing on, he can cut that seeds in the field. Got it clear? Because you want only wheat in that particular field, you don't want any other unwanted plants to be growing other than wheat. So in order to take away, he will be using this instrument or the tool called hoe. This blade like structure will be cutting away all the unwanted plants or weeds from his field to make his way of growing. So these are the three tools which helps in the preparation of soil, or which helps in the loosening up of the soil. So now let us study about the second agricultural practice called sowing.